Hey there, my name is Sheldon. I'm a product manager here at Aurascape, and today I'm excited to talk to you about embedded AI. Let's look at these two examples separately. Let's start from this site, right? I'm on carcode.com. Despite my best effort at drawing cars, you can imagine that this is a page that sells cars. Very traditional type of website, except when I visited in this year, I noticed that there is a new little thing right here. And when I click on it, it pops up a beautiful interface that allows me to chat with who I thought was a representative. But it turns out this entire thing is now powered by generative AI. To any of your existing solutions, this page will never be classified as Gen AI interactions, even though your end users on a daily basis are interacting with these AI-powered chatbots that is embedded in almost every single consumer-facing application these days. Your employees are interacting with this type of websites every day. What that means is that if they're accidentally talking about, say, doing procurement, buying things for the office, for work, they're at high risk of disclosing sensitive work-related information to these Gen AI chatbots that look completely innocuous. In your existing solutions, you will never be able to see these interactions as Gen AI, let alone protecting against them. In Aurascape, not only do we recognize these chatbots as Gen AI chatbots, we can also preserve the full context for security operations, prompt and response in a conversation format, just like how your end users are experiencing them. We will also be able to tell you that this is done from carcode.com. In this way, Aurascape provides you with full visibility in these type of embedded AI interactions, and we can still apply these security operations. Even your end users are using embedded AI in these seemingly innocuous looking websites. Let's look at the second example here. This is a website in a browser somewhere. Here, we're talking about SaaS tools that your employees are already using. I think you've probably heard this before. Every SaaS app is becoming an AI app. And that is true. Soon enough, the most common way of interacting with AI will not be going to chatgpt.com or Microsoft Copilot.com, but within the tools that they're already using that exist in the browser, as a client on their operating system, as a plugin, or anywhere. Here I'm using Atlassian as an example because I love being a product manager. And I've listed all the ways that your end users are actually interacting with Atlassian. They're editing tickets, they're editing pages, they're doing all the other tools and all the other operations, and now they have a new functionality. It's called AI. Your existing security vendor sees all of these things as the exact same thing. They will see that your end user has made an API call. What that means is that you have to trust that your admin for Atlassian, for your Zoom, for your Teams, for every single one of your SaaS tool is complying with the correct way of using AI. Because for your security solution, they will not be able to tell apart what end user interaction is an AI interaction versus what is not. And the reason is because all these API calls look the exact same, and it requires really deep decoding to get into each individual API call in real time, opening up the packet, decoding all the content to understand the exact payload to adjudicate if this is an AI interaction or if this is a non-AI interaction. Sounds very challenging, but that's exactly what Aurascape is doing. In fact, for Aurascape, this is not what we see. Aurascape sees exactly what your end user sees. For us, whenever an end user interacts with a SaaS app, we will be able to tell if your end user is doing something that is AI related or all of these normal old school SaaS operations. And the way we do it is exactly how I just explained it to you by looking so deep into the packet where we understand each payload sent to each API endpoint to adjudicate if this is in fact an AI interaction or not. And we do this for so many of your popular SaaS tools that exists today already. In this form, we will be able to single out the AI intention for you to make a decision on what you want to do with it. For some customers, they want to outright ban it. I'm not going to let my end users use this AI tool until I've had a chance to actually conduct the full architecture review, to talk to my vendors, to negotiate exactly if this is safe or not for my employee to use. Or if you trust your vendors, we will be able to apply all sorts of security operations, going from threat capabilities that include specific vulnerabilities that applies to these AI tools to data security operations that secures your data even when it's being ingested by an existing SaaS tool. For Aurascape, we firmly believe that AI will become a part of our day-to-day life. It will soon leap out of the browser as a standalone app and become a part of everything that we interact with on the internet. We believe that your traditional security vendors are not architected or they do not have the capability to actually discover these embedded Gen AI activities, and we are here to help you bridge that gap, provide that visibility, tease out the embedded AI components, and provide full suite of security operations on top of them. Thank you so much.